Excellent. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be rebuilding the steering box. I'm going to make one out of the two. One of them is in real bad condition, as you can see. So I'm going to take some parts off this one, stick it on the other one, and see how we get on. So I'm going to be replacing all the bearings and shimming it up. I'll make new gaskets for it, just because it's going to be full of oil and I don't want it leaking. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. So I've just rebuilt the steering box on the Anglia 105E. I had to make one steering box out of the two because they were in such a bad condition. So got all new bearings. The worm was good and all the mechanisms. So as you see on the video, everything was replaced and rebuilt. She's all packed now with new gaskets and the shims are in. She's nice, yeah, when you twist it, she's nice and smooth. So there's no notchy bits. Yeah, so I'm going to fit her on the car and then we fill it with the oil and yeah, we're done. Next is all the suspension and get everything back in. So that's all for the Anglia 105 at the moment. If you like the videos, like and subscribe and give us a click and you'll get all the next videos, all the videos in the next series. Yeah, we'll be cracking on with the Anglia, we'll be cracking on with the Scimitar. There's lots of projects still on the go, so yeah, thanks, like and subscribe.